Charuto and we are here to make the bed. My name is Imani Wamboy and we are here to identify the bed. Over here we have the duvet. Over here we have pillows. Over here we have blankets. Over here we have the bed covers. And over here we have the bed, the pillowcases. And over here we have the bed sheets.
My name is Daisy Sabai. Today we are going to learn what a Macintosh is used for. A Macintosh is used for the bed wetters so that the mattress cannot get wet. This mattress over here, you can see it is covered with a Macintosh. Thank you.
Can you make the bed? Let us come and visit and help. Touch it inside. Make sure you touch it inside well.